Hi, welcome back to my channel. This is Parvez and today I'll show you how to change body position using Puppet Orf tool in Photoshop CC 2021. I think you will learn something new from the video, so keep watching and practicing with me. If you are new in my channel, please do subscribe and press the bell icon below for new notifications. Let's start it. Open the image in Photoshop. First of all, go to File, then go to Place. Navigate through your folders and find the image you want to edit. Once you find it, double click on the image file to open it in Photoshop. What is Puppet Orf tool in Photoshop? Puppet Orf can be very useful for many distortions, such as shaping hair and repositioning body parts. You can distort the image by dragging over the pin that you create over the mesh. Right, I want to move the man's body first. First of all, I have to remove the background and make a custom background layer. First of all, take a new layer and make top the image layer. Then select the bottom layer and turn off the image layer. Okay. Then go to set background color and choose the blue like this. Then press OK and take paint bucket tool. Just click on art button. In this way, you can make custom background which is really suitable for your work. Then turn on top layer. Now I'll remove the background from the picture and make a transparent layer with the man. For that, select the layer and go to select, then click on subject. Now Photoshop Artificial Intelligence automatically detected the background from the picture. If you see something is missing, you can adjust the selection with quick selection tool. After finish that, to create a transparent layer of the workable area. After selecting the workable area, press Ctrl and Command J. That will be create a new transparent layer with transparent background along the workable area only. Then you will see a transparent layer with the man. Then hide the middle layer or original layer. Okay, see, perfectly done. Now select the top layer again and press Ctrl and Command J 2 times for 2 more copies. Okay, and hide original layer and 2 copies like this. Now I'll move the man's body parts using Puppet Orf tool. For that, select the top layer, okay, like this. Then go to edit. You can find it here. Then click on Puppet Orf. Now I will change full body position step by step. Just you follow me and practicing with me. Drag pins across the image. To do this, click the area you want to manipulate. This will anchor the movement of the area. For instance, suppose you have to select the body of a mannerizing hand and you want to blend her arms a bit, and pins at the points where you want to manipulate along the hand as well as along the elbow. To manipulate the image, you must drag the pins to their new position. If you want to select multiple pins at a time, keep the shift keys pressed and select the pins by clicking on them. You can also manipulate the pins using arrow keys rather than dragging. For the hand example, dragging the pins will change the position of the hand. To bring the hand down, you can move the pins at different joint of the hand. To rotate a pin, keep Alt press down and bring the mouse cursor near to the pin but not directly over it. Now drag the cursor around in order to rotate it. The degree of rotation will be displayed on interface at the top side. Then select the second layer and go to edit, then click on Puppet Orb tool and then pin again on the man which one you want to edit. You have to practice again and again, and remember one thing: for change body position, just drag, and for angular rotation, hold Alt key and just slide up and down. Don't forget to save your change when you are done. Just press Ctrl S and enter a file name. Select a destination folder to save in and click on OK. In this way, you can change body position using Puppet Orb tool in Photoshop CC 2021. I think you enjoyed the video, and if you are new in my channel, please do subscribe and press the bell icon below for new notifications. I'll be back with another video soon. Till then, take care. Bye bye.